Open your Instagram app. Click on the user icon to go to your profile. At the top left corner, tap on your username, then click on add account. A login screen will appear just below the page and click on sign up. If you are logged into your Facebook account, you'll be requested to continue with your Facebook or sign up with email or phone number. So right now, I want to sign up with my email. So I'm going to click on sign up with email or phone number. But if you want to continue with your Facebook, you can just click on this continue as Facebook button. That is if your Facebook account has not been connected to any Instagram account. Alternatively, you can sign up with your email or phone number. If you want to sign up with your phone, enter your phone number and click on next. And if you want to sign up with your email, click on email, enter your email and click on next.